Welcome kids! This is our first video. Let us first introduce ourselves. He is Adhvik. Adhvik, say hi!
Hi!
And this is Meeni. Today's episode is very colorful because we are going to paint it today, but not in paper or canvas. Adhvik, where you will paint? কোথায় paint করবে?
T-shirt.
Yes, in T-shirt. Yes, Adhvik will paint on his own T-shirt. Let's start.
Yes, Dad.
Kids, before start painting, do subscribe our channel. Okay, I'm going to show you what are the things we need today. T-shirt, fabric colors, paintbrush, pencil, cardboard, bowl to make a mark on a T-shirt, and some tick pins. At first, we have to put a T-shirt like this. Then we have to put a cardboard inside the T-shirt so that the color will not touch at the back side of the T-shirt. Now we have to use some tick pins. Then we have to use a bowl to make a mark on the T-shirt. Next, we will use the color. See, Adhvik painted his own Holi T-shirt. Isn't it beautiful? Yay!